Seeing there was a problem loading page 1 of your pack in Minecraft and your world won't load or crashes instantly, whether it's a corrupted texture pack, outdated format, or a missing manifest file. We will show you exactly how to fix it and get your game running again. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling a frustrating Minecraft error. There was a problem loading page 1 of your pack. This usually happens when a resource pack is broken, misconfigured, or incompatible with your current version. Let's check how to fix it. Method 1. Deactivate the resource pack. Go to the main Minecraft screen and go to Settings, then go to Global Resources or similar menu for your version. Click on Your Packs. Select Natural Texture Pack if you have it and deactivate it or deactivate the pack causing the issue. Method 2. Update your game. Make sure Minecraft is running the latest version available for your platform. You can head to Microsoft Store app, then check for updates. Once updated, launch the game and check. Method 3. Sign out and sign into Minecraft Launcher. You can try logging out and then logging in back to the Minecraft Launcher. Open Minecraft Launcher and click on your username icon from the top corner. From the drop-down menu, click on the Logout option. After logging out again, log in with your credentials. Check if this fixes the problem. If not, then reinstall Minecraft. Method 4. Check your internet connection. A stable and strong internet connection is crucial for downloading and loading packs. To check the internet status, click on the internet icon from the notification tree. Check if you are connected to the internet. You can also click on this link to check the internet speed. You can also restart your router and check if this works. Method 5. Reinstall the game. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Select Programs and Features. This will load a list of programs that are installed on your computer. Right-click on Minecraft from the list. Then select Uninstall option and follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall Minecraft from your system. You can also search for Minecraft in Windows Search. Then right-click on it and select Uninstall. Confirm your action and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 6. Contact Minecraft support. You can contact the Minecraft support team if reinstalling Minecraft doesn't help. Fill in the form from the website and mention your problem there. Follow the on-screen instructions given by the Minecraft support team to solve the problem. And that's a wrap. Minecraft error, there was a problem loading page on 1 of your pack, should be fixed and your game running smoothly again. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Still facing issues or having a tip that worked for you? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone and love hearing your solutions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Happy crafting!